One of the major advantages of the solar, or why even think in solar, it is a cost saving without a doubt. You go from renting basically to potentially buying if you are getting solar financed or purchased. The electrical bill increasing constantly is not happening with solar. You are fixed for 25 to 30 years depending on your financing. The consumption and the ability to draw from solar rather than from the grid is also a major advantage. So all these advantages make total sense for anyone and everyone to jump on solar, not to mention tax credits potentially up to 30% depending on everyone's scenario. So solar is by far one of the smartest business decisions to make.